Welcome to the world of tomorrow, where the lines between real and virtual blur. I'm Divya Darshini UG from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today, let's explore a game-changing technology, extended reality, or XR. Extended reality is a term that includes augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality. It merges digital content with our physical environment to create immersive, interactive experiences. XR is transforming how we live, learn, and work, from virtual shopping and 3D learning to remote collaboration and virtual training. I chose XR because it excites me. It's not just about cool visuals, it's about reimagining possibilities. Imagine students learning history by walking through ancient civilizations in VR, or doctors practicing complex surgeries without risk. XR turns imagination into experience. Throughout this journey, I've gained hands-on skills in platforms like Unity and Unreal Engine, learned 3D modeling and spatial computing, and explored the principles of immersive storytelling. I also studied how users interact with digital environments through gesture tracking and eye movement. XR is already making an impact across industries. In healthcare, it's helping patients with therapy and training doctors with realistic simulations. In education, it's making learning more engaging and interactive. In retail, XR allows customers to try on clothes or see furniture in their rooms before buying. Even fields like defense, architecture, and tourism are being reshaped by XR technology. But like any powerful innovation, XR comes with challenges. One of the biggest is data privacy. These systems gather large amounts of sensitive information, like facial expressions, movement patterns, and even biometric data. Without proper safeguards, this information can be exploited, putting users at serious risk. To address this, cybersecurity must evolve alongside XR. Developers need to build secure systems from the ground up, using techniques like encryption, AI-powered threat detection, and privacy by design. As XR grows, protecting user data becomes not just a technical requirement but a moral responsibility. Looking ahead, the future of XR is incredibly promising. With advancements in 5G, AI, and spatial computing, we'll see more realistic virtual meetings, smart education environments, and fully immersive digital experiences that feel as real as the physical world. Extended reality is more than a disruptive technology, it's a bridge between imagination and reality. And as someone passionate about AI and emerging tech, I'm excited to be part of shaping this future. Thank you for watching.